Hi, I'm Ed. I'm going to tell you about my new bike, my new green bike that I got from Electric Bike Paradise up there in Casper, Wyoming. I don't know why they call it Paradise. I thought Paradise was California or some tropical island, but must be where all the bike riders are. So anyhow, there's the bike. It's a green bike. It's a folding bike, which fits into that Volkswagen Golf you see up there when I do have to leave town. Most of the time I just ride the green bike around, and I take it to the grocery store. I throw a rack, a little carrier on the rack that comes on there, and I don't have to put gas in the car, don't pollute the air, and I get some extra exercise, all by using my bike that I got up there. Electric Bike Paradise was a great place to buy from. I had no problems, no complaints, only help from the staff there when I had questions before I bought, and then with the follow-up after I bought. I kept getting updates on the shipping faster than FedEx was sending them to me. So I was pretty pleased with that. Yeah, this bike in particular I really like. I'll show you a couple little gadgets I put on here. This here is a rear view camera. It goes there, you see that? And then there's the bike holder, the phone holder that came with it. Oops. And then there's the other gadgetry. So sorry about the video. I don't do this for a living. Although they are giving me some freebies for posting this video. So I just want you to know that up front. Anyhow, I would check out Electric Bike Video, and very least include them in part of your potential vendors. I was really happy with them. Great selection, great prices, great service. Everything showed up. Went together, 1, 2, 3. Okay, thanks for watching my little video. Bye-bye.
With free shipping, lowest prices guaranteed, fast delivery, and no sales tax, it's easy to see why Electric Bike Paradise is the leading electric bike retailer online. So shop our selection of e-bikes now at electricbikeparadise.com or reach us at 800-590-2738 and talk to our sales specialist available from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.